Red hat. Decoding the color and accessory. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into the English language to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, red hat. Are we talking about just a color and an accessory? Or is there more to it? Let's find out. Red hat is quite straightforward when taken at face value. Red. This is a color, often associated with passion, energy, and urgency. It's the color of cherries, roses, and, well, red apples. Hat, an accessory you wear on your head. It can protect you from the sun, keep you warm, or just make a fashion statement. Together, red hat literally means a hat that is red in color. However, like many phrases in English, red hat can also carry symbolic meanings. 1. Attention-grabbing. Red items stand out in a crowd. If someone is wearing a red hat, they might be trying to grab attention or make a bold statement. 2. Red Hat Society. This is an international social organization originally for women age 50 and beyond, but now open to women of all ages. They're recognized by their red hats and purple dresses, symbolizing a zest for life and a playfully defiant attitude toward aging. 3. Red Hat in Tech. For those into information technology, Red Hat might ring a bell as a company that provides open-source software solutions. To ensure you truly grasp the concept, here's how red hat can be used in sentences. 1. Literal, she wore a red hat to the beach to protect her face from the sun. 2. Symbolic, joining the Red Hat Society was the best decision she made after retirement. She's having so much fun. 3. Tech, our company's servers run on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And there we have it. Red hat is not just about a color and a piece of clothing. It's about the vibrant stories, meanings, and contexts it can bring into a conversation. We hope this video has been enlightening, and the next time you see or hear red hat, you'll know exactly what's being talked about. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.